Hi, I'm Chrissy, Director of Product Operations at Lovely Skin. Today I'm here to unbox and try the new SkinCeuticals Advanced RGN-6 Aesthetic Recovery Cream. It's designed to visibly reverse 6 signs of aging with results that you can see in as little as 1 week. It's a unique formula inspired by laser regeneration science, which creates controlled microdamage that stimulates collagen and skin regeneration, resulting in smoother, tighter, and brighter looking skin. It's good for all skin types, including very sensitive skin, and can be used daily as a post-laser treatment cream. It's ideal for skin barrier repair, and its patented formula helps reduce downtime and promotes healing. Let's try it. It's made with a host of powerful ingredients like a peptide, niacinamide, a patented ceramide, and Ectoin to soothe skin, reduce discoloration, and support skin structure. I'm surprised this is a post-procedure cream. It has a lightweight feel, a hydrating texture, and absorbs so quickly. For more tutorials, unboxings, and education, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.